When you needed added power, lithium batteries are what you are after. They will give you long-lasting life in your remote control products. These are 1.5 volt AA batteries, disposable by POWEROWL. They are lightweight batteries and they will last a very long time. POWEROWL lithium batteries. They last a very long time. They're great for remote control cars, trucks, whatnot. Simply place in, close up, and you have many hours of use for sure. Enjoy your POWEROWL AA batteries, disposable lithium batteries for remote controls, and more. This is an 8-pack lithium. Check online for further details about the packages they offer. Thank you for viewing.